Breaking news coming in this hour. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has directed the Principal Secretary in charge of Home Affairs in the state to deal with the Saharanpur situation with a firm hand. He has directed that there must be no laxity at any level and law and order must be maintained at all costs. One person has been killed and at least 12 injured in today's clashes. Alright, so Akhilesh Yadav asking the Principal Secretary of Home Affairs to deal with this matter with a firm hand. He's saying that all precautions should be put into place to ensure that violence does not escalate. As far as the latest is concerned, on the ground, one person has reportedly been killed and 12 people seriously injured in clashes on the ground. Let's get a word from our correspondent Jugal Purohit, who is joining us on the phone line from Saharanpur. Jugal, what's the latest? I believe the death toll may have gone up now.
Well, Sini, as we understand, there is one death which has been confirmed and 12 to 13 injuries, among which are also believed to be a few policemen. So the situation, of course, is tense. There is curfew in place by the district administration side, and now the Chief Minister has also sent a message of maintaining, the law and public order. So all of that is, of course, in place. But what the real question is that just how can a long festering dispute like the one which was there in Saharanpur be allowed to snowball into a massive communal flare-up? I mean, this is something which wasn't the action and the violence may have been on the spur of the moment, but the administration was well and truly aware that there is a problem, that there was a dispute, and yet it seems that there is absolutely no intelligence, there is absolutely no input that they had that something like this could have taken place, something so large on scale and something so destructive.
All right, Jugal, thanks so much for that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more. Meanwhile, security has been beefed up in Moradabad as well, where the VHP, the BJP and the Congress have planned protest marches despite prohibitory orders being put into place by the state administration. Section 144 has been imposed in the area. Companies from the Shasastra Seema Bal, Rapid Action Force, the Provincial Arms Constabulary, RRF and district forces from Bareilly and Saharanpur have been deployed. BJP workers are protesting against police laxity in the Kanth incident that took place earlier this month. Two BJP MLAs, Suresh Rana and Lokendra Chaube, were seen leading protesters. BJP State President Lakshmikant Vajpayee has justified the protest march, saying that the party has the right to demonstrate against the district administration. The Congress has also planned to hold a peaceful march with 25 people. One of the party leaders blaming the BJP of trying to polarize the state. Trouble erupted in Kanth area of Moradabad on the 4th of July over the installation of a loudspeaker inside a temple that led to violent clashes in which the district administration, the district magistrate, I beg your pardon, also suffered grievous injuries. BJP leader Sadhi Prachi, who was on her way to Moradabad to take part in the Vishwa Hindu Parishad's proposed Jalabhishek march, was detained in Bijnor on Friday.
धारा 144 लागू है, रमजान चल रहे हैं, कावड़ का प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, यहाँ पे सुरक्षा के पूरे बंदोबस्त है और अभी तक तो यहाँ पे नहीं आए हैं कोई भी। और मेरा मानना है कि सब लोग लॉ अबाइडिंग पर्सन हैं, रेस्पेक्टेबल लोग हैं। मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी जो लॉ को अवॉइड करेगा। तो अभी तक यहाँ पे शांति है, कोई किसी तरह की समस्या नहीं।
सर, आपके ऊपर स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन यूपी बीजेपी प्रेसिडेंट लगाते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि आप समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए वर्किंग फॉर समाजवादी पार्टी, स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन है आपके के ऊपर, वो एफआईआर करना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए वो लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं।
अभी आए नहीं है, आएंगे जब तहरीर देंगे तब देखा जाएगा।
उनको अलाउ किया जाएगा आने के लिए
यहाँ पे किसी भी, क्योंकि रमजान और कावड़ का प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, इसलिए धारा 144 लागू, इसलिए यहाँ पर बाहर के लोगों को अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है।
We're inside the Kanth police station and we'll just get you the visuals of what's happening out here. BJP activists from different parts of the state of UP trying to come in to the Kanth police station and register a complaint against, incidentally, the SSP of this very area. The BJP is alleging that they and their complaints are not being attended to properly. They are not being given. They have not been given response as they think their complaint merits. So this is what is happening here on the ground. The police has made it clear that Section 144 has been imposed and that no assembly of people can be allowed in this area. And it is actually through this that this action that you're seeing on your screen is taking place.
All right, situation still extremely tense in Moradabad. The political reactions are also coming in from different political parties. Let's listen in.